In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add the weather forecast to Notion. Building a Notion weather widget comes at no cost. Several tools are available for this purpose, but my preferred choice is Indify. In this guide, I will provide step-by-step instructions on creating a widget and seamlessly integrating it into your workspace. To begin, the initial step is to visit indify.co and create an account. Once you have successfully logged in, scroll down the homepage and locate the weather widget. Now comes the enjoyable part. Utilize the Indify interface to personalize your Notion weather widget. Input the desired location for the forecast, select your preferred unit of measurement, and adjust the style to seamlessly blend in with your aesthetic preferences. Once you have completed the customization process, simply copy the URL located at the bottom of the Indify customizer. Proceed to your Notion workspace and paste the copied URL onto the page and select Create Embed from the menu. After a few seconds, your customized Notion weather widget should appear. You can utilize the default tools provided by Notion to resize and reposition your widget according to your preferences. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.